Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. We are doing plant tour. I was thinking to make separate video, but then in the short time, some of my plants have been grown so big. With this plant tour, I just want to record how my plant have been grown up. I generally keep the straw mats near the humidifier, like that. That one is the one that I'm growing. Right now, because it's like bright daytime, so it's have been a little bit expanded, but at nighttime, generally it's like kind of closing together. Sarin photo. Actually, this is nowadays one of my favorite plants. It's like so huge foliage, and beautiful pattern. Only the sad thing is like it has only one single main stem from the pot and just coming out. So I'm trying to make them one bushier, but that's gonna be the other video. There's variegated peace lily. It's very beautiful, but like other variegated plant is always like kind of having a browning tip. I found it like kind of mature plant is like tends to be more stronger, but when they are younger, it's having like a lot of chance to become brownie tip like that. So that's the one that are the younger one. See, lemon brown tip here, there. It's kind of sad to watching them, but it's so beautiful to give up. Like a chain of heart. I think this time chain of heart is like more pinkish than last time. It's still not a variegated one, but I don't know. I feel like compared to last time, it's more pinkish at the back. Yakanta Princess. It's very unique, very black color. And Pink Dragon. It may be called because of the stem. The stem is very pink. Look at that. So here's the most of the stuff that I want to talk about actually. So that one. I'm currently doing the monster propagating, but it has been growing crazily big and it just looks like a little bit out of shape. So I just cut it and then put in the water for propagating. And look at that! There's on a root. It's coming out another root. Monster Adansoni and Monster Sirtepicana. Actually, that's kind of my favorite. It's just so beautiful, the foliage. It's a very deep vine and white variation. And some common Devil's Ivy. It has been losing out a lot, so that one also need to potting option. I don't really remember exactly, but I think a Syngonium King something. It has a little bit of white variation, but that white is like not clear white, but it's more like greenish. Peppermint Raindrop. I think it's because of the shape. It's like kind of what the raindrop looks like. Only the reason that I place in the shady spot is like, and that one actually can handle a little bit of shady area, and also generally more peppermint. If we keep in a shady spot, it's more making the bigger foliage, and I just wanted to make that one have bigger foliage than small one, so I just placed there. Alocasia ventii. It's not really growing big. It's growing about like, you know, around 1 meter tall, 1.5 maximum, I guess. But it's just like a little bit difference. This allocation with the other one is like it has very unique color at the underside. The Sirtepicana was the one that I was trying to make it bushy. Last time I checked, the air root had been a little bit established on the soil, and then I cut it like there, cut there and stem one by one. I don't really remember where was it, but you can see here I also cut. It's keep having a new shoot. One new shoot, that's new foliage. That one is the new foliage. Here another one growing. So this monster is actually I have been propagated like that from there. We start from cutting and then transfer into the soil, and it's just like, good thing is it's keep growing, having a new shoot. That's pretty new shoot, and even that one also new shoot, and that's the one monster minima. So that was growing. If you see many people many people are growing them on, one single stem, start with one single stem and then grow upward. But for me, I generally more prefer to having a lot of foliage in there. So right now there is 3 stems going up, so I might need a big stake for that. With a very quick shot. Last time I trimmed there. You can see? Can you see? There. And also about there. And from that time, actually 4 months, I guess for 2 weeks to 3 weeks, it really didn't have any new shoots. Even though I know that it's gonna have new shoot eventually, but I was also same time a little bit worried because it doesn't look like happening anything. But now, good thing is, on each branch there's more than 3 new shoots. So that one new, another one, another one, another one, and even on that side there's 3. 1, 2, and 3. I just need to decide which stem I'm gonna keep it and which stem I'm gonna cut it, so it can make it more natural, looks like tree. So that's not the normal channel part. Just growing like crazy. That's the one that fiddly propagating. I also need to film that one too. And that's the one that variegated. Channel part. Trades Cantia, Calicia. So yep, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything for today's plant tour. I just wanted to share how my plant is growing right now, and then I'll meet you one by one specific videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.